Hey guys, as you can see here on my desk, I have my wireless MagSafe charger, my charger for my iWatch, but I don't have where to place my AirPods and charge them at the same time that I'm charging my cell phone, for example. And I think that it's a little bit inconvenient, and it is a great time because I just have received this foldable wireless charger for viewing purposes, and it's a 3-in-1, so you can be charging your iWatch, your phone, your AirPods at the same time without having to worry about anything, okay, which I think that it's really nice. We get the user manual with all the important information on how to use it, okay. It comes in different languages, which I think that it's great, okay. That's nice. Okay, everything comes really well protected. We get a wall charger to use it with, okay, and a proper USB A to USB Type C to get powered the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna connect it into my outlet right here instead of my old Apple, my old instead of my old wireless charger. Okay, and the proper main unit comes in here. Okay, so you can see it's folded, and I think that that's a great design. Okay, it has nice feel to it. Okay, you can fold it away. It's magnetic. Okay, which I think that it's nice. Okay, all the pieces looks really nice. Okay, in here you can place the charger. Okay, and we can see that it turns on right here. So I'm placing this stuff right here where it goes. Okay, and that's how it's uh, charging. Okay, it's like a stand. I can place my iWatch right there. As you can see, it's charging. I can place my AirPods right there. They are gonna be charging. And lastly, I can place my cell phone right here, and it's charging, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, as you can see, and it doesn't take that much space as when sometimes you got everything over everywhere. Okay, you can just have it like this at my side while I'm working, and I can take a look upon what's on my cell phone and everything, which I think that it's really nice. It's a simple but beautiful design, and I think that it's gonna be great to use it at your home, at your work, wherever you need it. I think that it's really nice that it's a fast charging station, that it also has a overheating safeguard, that way you don't have to worry about anything. It's really small and lightweight, so you can take it with you and have a space saving foldable charging station, which I think that it's great. And you can have your area a little bit more organized, that way you don't have a cable clutter or anything, and you have a charging indicator to know where your devices are ready. Overall, I think that it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.